Hi, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, you will learn how to pronounce 12 of the most famous cities in Spain with a Spanish accent. This video comes with a set of subtitles in English, French, Spanish, and Bahasa Indonesia. Make sure to activate them and switch between them for a better learning experience. If you too want to learn the second most spoken language in the world, with more than 460 million Spanish speakers, subscribe to this channel and start learning Spanish easily with our weekly videos. Are you ready? ¿Está listo? Let's get started. Hoy vamos a aprender a pronunciar 12 de los lugares más famosos de España. Make sure to repeat out loud after me. Madrid, Barcelona, Sevilla, Bilbao, Valencia, Salamanca, Granada, Toledo, Málaga, Córdoba, Pamplona, San Sebastián. Madrid, Barcelona, Sevilla, Bilbao, Valencia, Salamanca, Granada, Toledo, Málaga, Córdoba, Pamplona, San Sebastián. It's your turn now. How do you pronounce that city? Madrid, San Sebastián, Granada, Córdoba, Barcelona, Sevilla, Pamplona. Muy bien. Ahora usted ya sabe cómo pronunciar 12 de los lugares más famosos de España. These places are not just famous, but they are really beautiful places to visit and experience the Spanish culture. So if you are planning to go to Spain in the future, do not forget to add these cities on your list. If you want to learn Spanish easily and become fluent in Spanish, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because new videos will be released every week. If you would like me to cover a specific lesson, please leave your comment on the comment section below and I will create one video for you. Mi nombre es Nico y hasta la vista.